What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sage Jones, a smart investor, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to cover a little bit of crypto today. We're gonna go and take a look at XRP versus US dollar and what is happening right now and what I think could happen in the next upcoming days. If you haven't done so yet, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And push that notification button so that way you can get more content like this. So we're going to take a look at XRP and what I think is happening on the shorter time frames and what I think will happen overall. Now, my projection for XRP is going to be in the mid range of probably like I'm saying it might go to maybe $8 or $9. I know a lot of people are predicting that it could go higher, and anything's possible in this market. Do I think that XRP could hit $30, $40 in the next this year? I think it's highly unlikely that it will hit $30 to $40 or $50. I think XRP will stay within the range of $9 to $10 or maybe the $8 range. But who knows? Stranger things have happened. People talk about Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is at 5 cents, people said that Bitcoin would not reach the height that is reached. But Bitcoin is its own beast and its own monster. So and we all know when Bitcoin moves, everything else moves. So because I keep telling people Bitcoin is king. So with that said, let's take a look at the chart and then I'll tell you where I think the market will go in the next upcoming weeks. So just take a look here. So if we look at the 5-minute time frame, we are starting a downward trend here. XRP is in the range of $2.41. The reason why I say the market is going into doing a pullback here is because looking at my 3 moving averages here, my analysis here, and the support and resistance here, we hit a resistance which took us to a lower low. So we had our higher highs here back in this area where the market was going into these higher highs, which took us into the $2.46 range. Now we had a support here in this area, and then we hit a resistance around the $45 range. I'm sorry, $2.45 range. So what with this resistance happening, I believe that we will move downward into the maybe 230 to 240 range. So somewhere in between the $2.35 or 36 cent range, and then we should have a move upward. Now that's depending on if the moving averages on the 15 don't cross here. So we look at the 15 as we look on the 15 here, we have a momentum slowdown here. As you can see, the market is trading sideways from range to range. Range to range here. So we could have a breakout going back in the uptrend this way. Somewhere in between Monday or Tuesday. I'm aiming towards maybe Monday. Just depending on the market and on how people are flooding into the market. So we have this, as we can tell here, we have this resistance creating itself here. I'm sorry, the support creating itself. If it does create a support line here, we can expect the market to go back up into probably like the $2 and 53 cent range, because that's where it touched before. We zoom out. We'll go ahead. We stroll back here. The highest peak here was in this range, which was the 271 range. So the market could do a push back to that 271 range based off the 15-minute time frame. So as you can tell here, we are creating a small support. If we jump up to the 30-minute time frame, we do have a higher high on the 30-minute time frame, as you can tell. So we had a move down in this range, this ranging area here. And then this is where the market did its crossover on the moving averages and bursted up to 249, and that we're in that 249 range. So I expect the market to do a pullback to about maybe like I said, 230, like 239, 236, so $2.36, and then start pushing back up towards the $2.69 range. Now, this is not financial advice, but my suggestion is once the market does pull back to that 230, let's say 230, 220 range, you should definitely buy in. The market has pulled back to $2 multiple times. It should pull back in between the range of 230, could go as low as 214. If it goes down to 214, guys, that is going to be a sign to fill your bags with XRP. Fill your bags with XRP, because it will eventually get back up to this range in this area here. So let's go ahead and clear the chart here. Let's take a look at the hour time frame. There, the overall move is upward. We have our moving averages that are separated here. It's always good to see that your moving averages are separate. They're not intertwined in this area. Once your moving averages start intertwining, you could have a move in the opposite direction, or you could have a bounce off, like in this range. See here where it was a pullback. There was an intertwining of the moving averages, and then we had this resistance hit and it pushed back down. Now we had a pullback here from it hitting support, and we had the moving averages intertwined, but the 50-period moving average blew past the 100, and it blew past the 150. Once that 50-period moving averages blew past it, we went up into the range of the 249 to 242 range on the hour time frame. Go ahead and clear this out here. And we'll look at the 4-hour. We got a sell signal on, we got a sell signal on the 4-hour, and that's from, my indicator, the trend point. But as you can see here on the 4-hour, we are on support. That's why I say the market will move back up into that $2.69 range. And if we do move up into that range, if we push past this 283, then we can definitely probably see maybe prices hitting that a high of 311 if we move past the resistance here on the 4-hour. If that happens, then it should be some really good gains. But overall, we need these moving averages to separate. Once these moving averages have separated really good, then we know that the market is going to keep pushing up. We jump over to the 12 hour, see what I'm saying here, see how the moving averages are separate, they're not together. And then we have this resistance point here. Look up to the daily. Daily, we have a resistance on the daily here, but as you can tell, the candles are blowing past that resistance. And we have our three moving averages separated and moving upward. If we look up to the weekly, the candles are way above the moving average. So my prediction, if we go back here to the 15, we'll move back here to the 15 period. What's going to happen here is we're going to have a pullback within the range, in this range here. Once again, pull back maybe into the range of 234, could hit 220. I doubt that it hits 220, because you can see here, this is where our supports are happening within that 230 range, 234. Our supports are happening here. See that there's a touch here, there's a little touch here, and then the market kept moving up. So I believe that the candles will come down and touch within this range, and then we'll have a support that pushes us back up into the 249 range. If the candles do blow past the 249 range on the 30-minute, then we can expect us to start hitting some highs of in between the range of, maybe, like I said, maybe 280, maybe $3.11. So that's my analysis on this. I suggest that you set yourself an alert. Go into Robinhood, set you an alert. If you got Coinbase, set you an alert on Coinbase for the prices to go within these ranges, or just keep an eye on the chart. I will be consistently posting videos on the crypto market and Forex and futures. So I will keep you guys aware of what's going on. But my suggestion is to be ready to buy around the 235 range or the 230 range, and the market to push back up. I will come back once the support has happened, and give you my prediction on where you should take profit at, or if you should even get into the market at that point. So with that said, thanks for viewing this video. If you have not yet, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And it's your boy Sage Jones, the Smart Investor. Let's get it.